Now, almost everyone knows how to create consistent AI character images. Oh, thank you.
But when it comes to hyper-realistic videos,
that move, speak, and act naturally. And that's where most people hit the wall.
They hit a wall of bad lip syncing, dead eyes, and robotic movements that scream, "I was made by AI." It makes your content look cheap and kills any trust with your audience. But what if I told you that wall has just been demolished? A little-known workflow using a combination of two powerful AI tools has finally cracked the code on hyperrealism. So if you want to build a digital version of yourself or create a completely new character to be the face of your brand, the kind that can create high-converting ads or viral content on autopilot, then this video is your playbook. I'm giving you the complete professional workflow step by step, and I will reveal the exact tools you need to do it as we go. Two quick things. First, hit that subscribe channel button because we want to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. And second, if you want to know how AI creators are already making over $10,000 per month, grab my free AI influencer playbook. It's the top link in the description. The secret to realism isn't finding one magic do-it-all tool. It's about mastering a professional workflow. So first, we need to create a perfectly consistent face, a digital actor. For that, we will use a best-in-class image generator. Second, we need to bring that actor to life. So we need to make them breathe, move, and speak. And for that, we will use a state-of-the-art video engine. So today, I'm showing you the exact combination that works: Midjourney for the face and Google's VEO for the video. Let's start by building our actor. Okay, so the first step I took was building a perfectly consistent character. The entire process starts with creating a set of high-quality, realistic still images. For that, my professional tool of choice is Midjourney. Why Midjourney? Because it has a groundbreaking system that solves the biggest problem in AI art: character consistency. This system is called omnireference. My goal was to create a portfolio of cinematic shots ready to be brought to life. So let's dive into how I did it. My first and most important decision was this: was I creating a hyper-realistic version of myself or inventing a completely new character? The workflow is slightly different for each. If you want to create a version of yourself, the process starts with a high-quality photo. In the Midjourney prompt bar, I click the small plus icon and select Upload File, and after it's uploaded, I can use this as a personal character reference. Then I will just drag and drop this image into OmniReference window and add a prompt like this. This generated a new, high-quality AI version of me to serve as the anchor for everything else. Now, if you're inventing someone completely new, your prompt is your paintbrush. And I learned that a professional prompt is a recipe with 4 key ingredients. First, the subject. I had to be specific. Second, the wardrobe. Simple but stylish. Third, the lighting. This is actually secret to realism. And finally, the camera details. This is the pro move that will make it realistic. The result look less like AI guess and more like high-end corporate photoshoot. No matter which path I choose, my goal is still the same: generate options until I find the perfect face. And this one is my hero image. Now, how do I make sure that my character always looks like this person? This is where I use Midjourney's most powerful feature, OmniReference. It's built right into the prompt bar. I just drag my hero image in and it instantly locks in that face as a reference. It's like locking in the character's DNA. From there, I could write any new prompt and Midjourney would build the scene around that exact face. This is the most important technical secret you will learn in this video, but a skill isn't real until you use it. So I lock it in by creating a professional portfolio of 3 distinct cinematic scenes. So first, I needed a base shot, the corporate world he belongs in. So to get this shot, I used this prompt and the result was perfect. The face was locked in. Next, I need to test his range. Could he exist outside the office? So let's go to the beach. For this, I used this prompt. And again, perfect consistency. Finally, the ultimate stress test, a chaotic, low-light, high-action scene, the red carpet. So I used this prompt. And there it was, the corporate world, a tropical vacation, and chaotic red carpet, 3 completely different worlds and 1 perfectly consistent actor. I now had my portfolio, I had my actor, but actor is useless without performance. It was time to make him breathe. It was time to take the final leap from still images to a living, breathing character. It was time to make him talk. To do this, I needed the second tool in my workflow, AI Video Engine. And the one that is changing the entire game right now is Google VEO. Here is the thing, VEO isn't a separate app that you can download. To get the most control, you can use Google's professional interface, which is at flow.google. And to access VEO, you will need to be subscribed to one of Google's premium AI tiers like Gemini Advanced. And here is the pro pro tip I discovered. Most new users can get a free trial for 1 or 2 months. This gives you enough credits to generate up to 50 videos in high quality, and it's an incredible deal. And if you're a student, it gets even better. Signing up with a student account may give you up to 18 months of access for free. So now, once my account was set up, it was time to talk settings. Inside Flow, before I generated anything, I changed 2 critical settings. First, the model settings. I saw 2 options, VEO quality and VEO fast. For almost everything, I started with fast. It's excellent 720p and uses less than half of the credits. Second, I made sure my output was set to 1 to avoid wasting credits. And now I was ready. So I uploaded my anchor image, our tech founder in the skyscraper office, and then I wrote the motion prompt that looks something like this. And as I told you, we also want to make him talk, so this is what I wrote for the voiceover. I was basically directing the AI like an actor. So then I hit generate. VEO didn't just animate the image, it analyzed the text, generated a voice, and created the facial movements to match perfectly. And I did the same for the vacation and red carpet scenes. And the results? I mean, just look at them.
The future of scaling content is no longer about endless hours in front of a camera. It's about smart automation.
You know, you spend 50 weeks a year checking emails just to get to this. It's funny, you have to disconnect from everything to finally feel connected.
So this is a lot. They're all screaming my name. I'm pretty sure they have me confused with a movie star. Either that or my last software update was way more popular than I thought.
The corporate video, the vacation video, and the red carpet scene, he looks completely human. Now, this is 9 out of 10 workflow. And honestly, for most people, this is more than enough. But you're not most people. You are here for the high-level method. You are here for the no one knows it's AI promise. And Google VEO's voice, while amazing, is still an AI voice, and it's little too perfect. So if you want to make it truly 100% like real, you can use your own voice or a perfect clone of it. So let's add one final pro level step. This is the part of the workflow where the real pros separate themselves. So let's add our own clone or perfect professional human clone. So first, we need the actual voice. This is where we bring in the specialist, 11 Labs. This is the undisputed industry standard for voice cloning and generation. Inside 11 Labs, I have few options. I can use their instant voice lab, upload a few minutes of my own clean audio, and it creates a perfect digital copy of my voice, or I can use one of their pre-made hyper-realistic voices. So I took those exact same scripts from our 3 scenes and generated them using one of the voices in 11 Labs. Now I have 3 perfect human sounding audio files, but that creates problem number 2. I have 3 silent videos from VEO and 3 audio files. How do I stitch them together? If I just put them in a timeline, the lips won't match. This is where we use our final secret weapon, a dedicated lip sync tool. For this, I go to a platform called OpenArt. Inside OpenArt, I go to video and then select the lip sync feature. It's built for this exact problem, and the process is quite simple. First, I upload the video we made in VEO, and second, I upload a new human-sounding audio file I made in 11 Labs. I hit generate, and openart's AI gets to work. It takes my original high-quality video from VEO, ignores the bad audio, and then reanimates only the mouth to perfectly, flawlessly match my new voiceover. And the result?
The future of scaling content is no longer about endless hours in front of a camera.
The future of scaling content is no longer about endless hours in front of a camera.
You know, you spend 50 weeks a year checking emails just to get to this.
You know, you spend 50 weeks a year checking emails just to get to this.
So this is a lot. They're all screaming my name. I'm pretty sure they have me confused with a movie star.
So this is a lot. They're all screaming my name. I'm pretty sure they have me confused with a movie star.
It's the exact same high-quality video, the same subtle thinking expression, the same pattern, but now it's my voice. It's undetectable, and that is the 10 out of 10 workflow. But this isn't just about creating cool videos, this is a new form of digital leverage. This playbook unlocks 3 powerful business models. First, the AI influencer. You can now create a completely fictional character from scratch, build their brand on social media, and monetize their audience through sponsorships or affiliate deals, all without ever showing your own face. Second, the 24/7 content machine. You can create a digital twin of yourself just like I did. This allows you to produce unlimited course material, social media content, or personalized sales videos without burning out. cloud. Your AI twin works while you sleep. And third, the hyper-personalized ad agency. Imagine being able to create an ad where your AI spokesperson addresses each customer by name or tailors the pitch to their specific location. This level of personalization was impossible before. Now, it's just a few clicks away. The tools of creation have been democratized. And those three models, they are the exact reason I created this channel. This video gave you the how-to, but if you're serious about the how to profit, if you want a deep dive strategies for building the AI influencer brand or creating your 24/7 content AI machine, then you need the full playbook. I've put everything, the 6 proven monetization models, the profit loops AI creators are using to pull in $10,000 a month, and the common pitfalls to avoid inside my free AI influencer playbook. It's the very first link in the description, and it's my gift for you to making it this far. So take it, and I'm going to see you in the next one.